So I will explain today about how to start from the Rhino to make something 3D model, and then use that 3D model for either printing or any other things by using the robot. So for that I will use first Rhino, and then Robot Decay, and then Robot Studio to upload the programs to the robot. So let's start by the Rhino file. So let's remove everything from here, and we're gonna build it from the start. So we'll, uh, let me delete all. Select all, delete, watch. Okay, so we are good. So I'm not deleting this one because this one I measure first, and then make it. So if I do these things also from the starting, then it will take a lot of time. So I need to measure everything from the center of the robot, like where exactly the robot is located in here, and then this thing, and then this is the raise for the printing that I make. So I didn't want to delete this much, so that's why I lock it. So I cannot able to edit it, and that's good. And the robot will be in here. Let's say we make line 0, 0, 0. So the robot will be in here. So the robot center position will be here, and then facing on like this way. Now starting from making the 3D, let's say we're gonna we will going to print the 3D cube. So to print the 3D cube, we can do either the outer layer, and then go all the way to the top, or we can just fill everything and then go like filling, and then go to the top and then make a full solid box. And also we're gonna see, let's say we're gonna glue the outer line of the box, or we will going to carve the outer line of the box, and how we can do that. So first I will start by making one box in the, I will just say first corner, and then 100 mm, and then height will also, let's say 100 mm. So I have this box, and this surface, this raised surface, and this surface, if we see on the real robot, this will be like this one. So this is the raised platform. So the robot is in here, and then the robot center will be there. And how I find that the raised platform is around here, and then we're gonna try where is exactly the positions by using the like find the position through robotic method also. And we'll find out the points where the printing will be done, and then we'll put the our rectangle like raised platform above there, and then start the printing. So I will do that, or that one also in the video. Okay, so first let's suppose that the cube will be here. So this is the cube, and let me change the color by again changing the making new layer. The layer will be like cube, and I will just change the color of the cube to little reddish. Okay, okay. Okay. We don't need this. This is just for a reference, so I will delete it. So we the first thing that we need to do is find the position. So the position means this 4 points or 2 points, because since it is a square and we know that it is a square, if we have these 2 points, then everything will be fine. Everything will go through that like line. So it's okay. So how I will do that is
Why the 2 point? Why need the
okay, it's like this. Let's say we need to make a rectangle, right? So if we see on the top view, so we need this 1 point, right? And then we need another point.
yeah.
And then what happens is this point will be like parallel, right? In this line, the if we see on the here x, y, z, see this point here, x is 1476 and my y is minus 144. So if you go directly down, then you see that y didn't change, right? So that's why, since this length is 100 mm, so we don't need actually this length, because if we have this point, then we also have this point. It is just a parallel line, like a straight line, and we need this line, this point, right? So after this, if we have this point and this point, then we have a the place for the cube, and we can exactly put this. The sad thing is we cannot connect the internet and robot at the same time because of the internet issue. So how can we do that is
How about using Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi connection.
for here.
Yeah.
Let me try. Usually does not connect. What is it? I can't use.
Yeah.
What happened with that? I don't know. Tinder wireless is also this one, so it will not gonna use. Oh yeah, of course, it doesn't have any internet. So only option is posted. Also, forget which one is forget.
Number two. Number.
So for a minute, I will pause the recording and then continue after we have an internet connection. How can I pause this one? Is it recording pause? No.